Questions 23 to 26, complete the summary below. Whenever we have summary completion, questions and answers may be in order. Sometimes they can be a little before or after. I have solved one test, summary completion, general training test, where the answers are in order, but one answer came before the other one. For example, question number 23, 24, the answer of 24 came first and then 23, but they were grouped together. Okay, so this is possible. I've seen 2 tests like that. Okay, survey finding. Now, first of all, we need to see where do they talk about survey. Paragraph, survey. Look for the word airport survey. Okay, it is in paragraph EFG. Clear? But it starts from paragraph E. So we will start from there. Is it clear? The first thing is to locate from where the answers are going to start. Now it means all the answers are going to be in paragraph E, F, and G. Do they talk about survey? All right. So E, F, G. Now let's take a start. Despite financial constraint means financial difficulties. Due to means what is the reason of financial problems? We will go to the survey finding and we will see there what is the reason of financial problems. Okay, now for example, now the reason of financial problem is COVID. Okay, now let's go back and we see what is the reason of financial problems. Reason of financial problems. Paragraph E, survey. Can you see the word investments and all that? So let's read paragraph E from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th last line. The survey also asked. Found it? Now let's read it from here. The survey also asked to what extent respondents agree or disagree with the number of statements about the meeting facility at the airport. 49% of respondents agree that they have put more investment into them during recent years. 41% agreed that they would invest more in the immediate future. These are fairly high proportions considering the recent economic climate. Now, go back to question. The question is, despite financial constraints due to, what is the reason of this financial constraint? Economic climate. Well done. These are fairly high proportions considering the recent economic climate. Means because of economic climate, companies do not have money. But if we consider that, this is a really high proportion. So the reason for despite financial constraints due to economic climate. Now we go on. Can you guys see question number 24, just under 30%? Now just under 30% means it can be, they said just under means a little less, 29, 28, 27 and all that. Also, let's read the question. Okay, let's just go back. It's the same paragraph. Okay, and it's going to come before. See that? That's what I said before. Now this is another test with the proof. Okay, I'm reading the question. 24. Also, just under 30% of the airports surveyed plan to provide these facilities within, very simple, number of years, within 10 years, within 6 months, within 5 days, within 2 weeks, within. Very good. Yeah, for within they have used during the next. Now underline within and the synonym for that is during the next and the answer is 5 years. Very good. See, by practice you will learn these things, synonyms and all that. At least try to solve 30 tests in 30 days and then you will understand what is IELTS reading. Not a couple of tests. They are not enough, okay? All right, let's go on. Can you see now we have another summary? So there are two summaries. If there are two summaries, that means two separate locations in the passage, right? However, the main users of the facilities are, who are the main users of facility? And as many as 16% of respondents to the survey stated something else. Who are the main users of the facility? Paragraph F. And for main users, they use the word 60%. Non-local or foreigner needs, 63% of respondents estimated that over 60% of users are from the local area. So users are local. Got it? 60% of the users are from the local area. So that is local. Main users, what is for main users? 60%. 60% and they are local. So the answer is local. It's understood local people. All right. Question number 26. Respondents to the survey stated that their users did not take any at the airport. Did not take. Focus the word not. Did not take any at the airport. Same paragraph. Focus the word not. For not, they use the word none of the users of their meeting facilities use flights. Did not take and use, they are same words. Did not take any and use, answer is flights. Now understand that. Did not take any and use is the word for that, and the answer is flights. Good.